Locals upset over the habitual absence of Mukasong LP School headmaster from school. Hello viewers, good morning and welcome to Karbing Long Live. You're with Julie Baby, bringing you the top stories for today. Now the news in detail. Haflong Civil Hospital is reeling under water crisis and has not been able to facilitate its inmate patients for the past few days. Earlier, the hospital had bagged the Best Kayakalp Award winner for 2017 and 2018 for being the cleanest hospital in Assam, along with Rs 50 lakhs, and also bagged second position in 2019. Haflong Civil Hospital is the only referral hospital in the entire Dima Hasao district. As the hospital have no permanent solution for water connectivity, the hospital has to solely depend on boring well. However, it could not fulfill the water requirement for the hospital owing to technical problems and non-availability of permanent pump operator. Besides the water crisis, the hospital is also hit by a shortage of globes. A grade 4 staff say that they are allotted only 5 pairs of globes a day, which is not sufficient for both day and night duty. They have to purchase packaged water to wash their hands after every surgical work.
ये पानी का प्रॉब्लम और हैंड ग्लोव नहीं मिलता, इतना लेतरा उतरा पकड़ के बिना ग्लोव से काम करता है। हैंड ग्लोव्स नहीं है। हाँ, हैंड ग्लोव देने से खाली 5 देगा, 5 से नहीं होता ना, नाइट ड्यूटी, मॉर्निंग ड्यूटी, इवनिंग ड्यूटी के लिए नहीं होता।
While the patients attendees say that they have to fetch water from outside the premise of the hospital for lavatory uses and sometimes are forced to buy water. The matter came to light when some patients informed the local student body, Dimasa Student Union, on the matter. The DSU on Wednesday visited the hospital and assured to resolve the matter soon. The DSU also appealed the hospital authority to resolve the matter as soon as possible and requested for appointing a permanent pump operator so that the problem should not persist in future.
जो हम लोग को खबर मिला, यहाँ पे हम लोग आके देखा कि सब पानी का टंकी खाली है और इस प्रॉब्लम का जो जानकारी है हम लोगों ने एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव और सुपरिटेंडेंट हाफलोंग सिविल हॉस्पिटल का हम लोग जानकारी लिया है और उनके जानकारी के उनके जो रीजन्स है वो जान के हम लोगों को बहुत ताजुब लगा और बहुत शौक लगा.
While speaking to us, Superintendent of Haflong Civil Hospital, Dr. Kalpana Kemprai, said that the problem is running for a long time, but they have been managing the situation somehow. She also said that the matter have been informed to the higher authority, including a proposal of additional boring well, and added that the drilling works are already underway.
পানি প্ৰব্লেমটো মাজে মাজে হয় এনেকা যেনেকা কেতিয়া মানে এটা তো কোভিড ওয়াৰ্ডো আছে তো লোটো অলপ বেছি আছে আৰু আমাৰ হেলথ সিস্টেম কি উদৰ পানী নহলে এটো হয় ঠিক মানে এটো বিষয় মই এগ্ৰি কৰিছো পানী নহলে বহুত কষ্ট হয় পেশেন্ট ইভেন স্টাফ কিন্তু আমাৰ মানে মাজতে এই সিস্টেমটো পার্মানেন্ট এটাও হোৱা নাই এই বোৰিঙৰ পৰা যে চলাই আছো এটো আগৰ পৰাই চলি আছে এটাও চলাই আছো কিন্তু মাজে মাজে আমাৰ দুটো টেকনিক্যাল যেটা আমার মেশিন বেয়া হয় কেতিয়াবা যোন পেশেন্টটো অপাৰেট কৰে তা কেতিয়াবা ছুটিত যায় আৰু যোনে কৰে সি টেকনিক্যাল অলপ অসুবিধা হয় আৰু তেতিয়া মানে কি আমি ঠিক টাইমতে পেশেন্টক দিব নোৱাৰো ষ্টাফক দিয়া মানে যেটো আমাৰ ডিপাৰ্টমেন্ট যেনেকা ডেলিভাৰী আৰু ইমাৰ্জেন্সি এটা অলপ সেইটো হয়.
On the other side, medical officer of the hospital identified as Dr. Biwa Bora had prevented a team of media persons from capturing footage of the hospital and had demanded permissions from the superintendent for news coverage. It may be mentioned that Dr. Biwa Bora was earlier in news for allegedly charging money from patients as delivery fees. Suraj Burman's report from Haflong for Karbing Long Live. In a piece of news coming from Nilip constituency, over 200 persons from opposition parties joined the Indian National Congress during a mass joining program held in Nilip on Thursday. The mass joining program commenced with bike rally which was flagged off at Rongbongkhat and concluded at Chokihula. Former HOD Minister Khorsing Ingti was present at the party program which was attended by more than 400 people. During the day, around 200 persons from various parties including the BJP and regional party ASDC were formally inducted into the party after their warm welcome. While addressing the gathering, former HOD Minister Khorsing Inti urged and said that all effort should be put in to bring Congress back to power by voting their candidates in the upcoming MLA election to be held next year. He mentioned that this was his first visit to Nilip constituency and he would continue visiting other constituencies and regions to encourage the people and strengthen their party. The meeting was led by Nilip Mandal Congress Committee President Vinarsam Ronghang and accompanying former HOD Minister Khorsing Inti include ex-EM Ratan Inti, KAD-MCC Vice President Rina Bibi, KAD-MCC General Secretary Kaed Derapi, KAD-MYCC Secretary Renuka Tisopi, Nilip Block Congress Committee President Bhimson Rongpi, and Dwarbaguri Mandal Congress Committee President Rajan Inti among others.
Ini ke join ke di DGP la APHLC hai to nang ke join ke haru hini la nut la penadak ke matha me nang ya din bang ke halo je nona mat ke BJP tumsi ruling party muni ra tum ke kai ta ke cholong nang ye phansi mata se ruling sarkar long se wakis tame da ke ruling sarkar phana aningi che de lo.
Samson Inti from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, let's take a quick commercial break. More updates after the break.
Karbi Anglong Morningstar FC will be back again from 8th November 2020. The Premier Club will be celebrating its 12th Foundation Day at its own campus ground, DP. Football lovers can join the blues.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live after the break. Headmaster of Mukasong LP School in Kamar Hanse village had been very irregular in his service. Due to this, students of these remote and interior places have been negatively affected by it, with many compelled to move out to other places for schooling. Located inside Mahamaya constituency, this Mukasong LP School was established in the year 1964. However, due to the inactive and neglect of the managing committee as well as the teachers, the school is now on the verge of closure and the building itself has been left abandoned for the animals. The old building is not fit to take classes for students of the school. Following this, local MSC and KAACEM Lunsing Teron sanctioned a new building for the school. However, even after the completion of the construction of the new building, the teacher identified as Mensing Rongpi had not been seen for a long time. Apart from not conducting any form of teaching, the teacher does not even visit the school. Instead, Mensing Rongpi had left the school and students in the care of a local youth by paying him ₹3,000 per month. As such, there is no hope that the students will be receiving a quality education.
Nona matkeni litum Karbi Anglong live pen Mukasong hawasido dok mukak pen adaning kilometer ko ra doji pen dan rong pen lote 18 kilometers bak to hai pen dak etso rong pen kela dak inglong side lo inglong lok sinanga lu nangji to war bang ka res tami em Lunsing Teron hai pen to war bang ke JCB ben pahutsi penangan bang ke lemlo same motor pi ni bang chele kunu na Lasi ladak bang ke labang so school ke 1964 ani kan si seng established lo cukup damtang 1964 ani kan si lapen ke ladak labang so school bang ki rutulo apana bang ke kami akimi bang ke em Lunsing Teron haider pen labang so school akimi bang sengson lo.
It is surprising to see that in this school, there are no almirah, electricity connection, solar panels, drinking water source and other materials which all other schools are having. Villagers have alleged that the pathetic condition of the school is all because of the irregularities of headmaster Mensing Rongpi. The managing committee had also blamed Rongpi for the damage done to the school. Locals have urged the KAAC authority to take action against such a person who is playing with the future of their children.
Kasi nilitum ladak Mukasong Rongthom do Rongthom naso school long student pulson ke ni enrollment ke emelo 53 53 do la se la rong thom pen la pusong lo la se la bang so school along alang li men sing rong pi alang li bang tix tam la bang so school man ta isi anong me ke alang li la bang so school pen ha den arong mero gop tang hola high secondary long che to dos tam lang li student tam mi che pass la pusong ta do
Bikram Teron from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.